Hi friends, welcome back to Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Today I'll show you instant banana snack or a dessert. Banana is one such fruit which is cheap, nutritious and easily available throughout the year. It is a potassium rich fruit. Bananas can be deep fried, mashed, curried or added in shakes, smoothies, desserts and salads and even bread. In most of our Indian homes, overripe bananas are always there, sitting on the counter begging us to use them. And that is the time they end up in smoothies, bread, milkshakes, and our favorite Mangalorean buns. You can use them in desserts too. Whenever I have overripe Kerala bananas, I make this snack and have it as a dessert. It's a family favorite, loved by my kids as well as elders. This also serves the purpose of a sweet dish after lunch or dinner. Bananas are best stored at room temperature away from sunlight. Avoid refrigerating them and keep them away from other fruits. Any contact with fruits like apples, etc., accelerates its ripening process. So let's check out the ingredients. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this recipe of mine, do give a thumbs up and click the like button. If you have tried this recipe, please leave a comment in the comment section below. So let's get started. Here I have taken one ripe banana and I have chopped it. Now take a teaspoon of ghee, or you can use less. Just add the chopped bananas and just cook it for a minute or so. It should be just soft. It should not be mashed completely. It should be just soft. Just a minute or so on low flame. You need not make them crisp. You need not brown them or fry too long. Once you see that the ghee is coated well, you can remove it on a plate. It just takes a minute or so. At this point of time, I add a little bit of sugar. Now sugar depends on the sweetness of the banana. If the banana is not very sweet, you can add a little more. Otherwise, just 1 teaspoon is just enough. Or it is as per your choice. If you like it very sweet, do add an extra spoon. Once the sugar has melted, I just add a pinch of salt. This is optional, but I do add it to my sweet dishes. You can see now the bananas have changed the color. Transfer it to a plate. Now in the same pan, add a little more of ghee, that is around a teaspoon or less. Add in chopped nuts. This is optional. You can use any nuts of your choice. I have used cashew, almonds and raisins. You can use walnuts, peanuts if you wish. Or if you don't have any, you can just add whatever is there available at home. Just fry it for a minute. You need not brown them. And once they are fried well, then I add a little bit of sugar, around 1 teaspoon or less if you wish. Now fry for another minute till the sugar melts. At this point of time, you can add the bananas, mix it well so that everything is well combined. The sugar melts and the nuts and everything is well coated with the sugar and the ghee. By now it is done. At this point of time, add freshly scraped coconut. This is as per your choice. I usually like to add a tablespoon or more if I wish. around 1.5 tablespoon of grated coconut you can use. Sorry, it is scraped coconut, not grated. Otherwise, you can add finely chopped coconut pieces also, but the scraped coconut gives it a nice texture. Mix well and you are done. Serve it along with a little more of ghee for the kids, because ghee is good for digestion and it has great medicinal benefits. I hope you like this recipe of mine. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to click the bell icon to get notified as and when I upload a new recipe. The list of ingredients is given in the description box below. So my dear friends, hope you have enjoyed this quick and yummy recipe. Stay tuned for more such interesting recipes. Till we meet again, check out my other recipes at Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Bye, see you soon with a new interesting recipe.